Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI loan platform, which is Upstart. So to get started, Upstart is a AI-driven lending platform that makes personal loan easier to access, especially for people with limited credit history. So instead of just focusing on credit scores, it looks at factors like education and employment, which help more borrowers get approved. The application process is quick, approval can be instant, and funds often arrive the next business day. Many users praise its speed, transparency, and the fact that it's backed by a wide network of banks and credit unions. On the downside, Upstart does comes with some drawback. Interest rates can be high, reaching up to 35.99%, and the origination fee may goes up to 12%. So it also doesn't allow co-signers, which could make it harder for some borrowers to qualify for better terms. Overall, Upstart is a legit and a reliable option if you want a fast funding and doesn't have to perfect your credit. But for those focused on the lowest rate, more flexible terms, traditional lender might be a better choice for you. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and make sure you subscribe for more reviews.